Cooking enthusiasts and home chefs know the value of high-quality cookware. This Avacraft 1810 stainless steel everyday pan is a premium product designed to handle everything from sautéing vegetables to making hearty stews. Packed with features like a 5-ply base, shatterproof glass lid, and durable stainless steel construction, this pan promises versatility, durability, and style. In this detailed review, we'll explore why the Avacraft pan is a must-have addition to your kitchen arsenal. Why you'll love this pan? 1. Effortless cooking and cleaning. Its non-stick-like stainless steel surface ensures food doesn't cling, while the dishwasher-safe design makes cleaning a breeze. 2. All-in-one functionality. You can replace multiple pans with this versatile tool. 3. Energy efficiency. Even heat distribution saves time and reduces energy consumption. 4. Healthier cooking option. No harmful chemicals mean you can cook with confidence. 5. Sleek design. Adds a modern aesthetic to any kitchen. The Avacraft Everyday Pan is perfect for home cooks, simplifies everyday cooking tasks, health-conscious individuals, provides a non-toxic alternative to non-stick cookware. Busy families, its versatility and ease of cleaning make it ideal for quick, wholesome meals. Professional chefs, offers high performance for complex recipes. Why the Avacraft Everyday Pan stands out? 1. Superior build quality. Crafted from 1810 stainless steel, the Avacraft pan boasts exceptional resistance to rust, stains, and corrosion. Its matte-finished interior prevents scratches, while the mirror-finish exterior adds a sleek, professional look to your kitchen. This high-quality construction ensures longevity, making it a lifelong companion for all your cooking needs. 2. Even heat distribution. The pan features a 5-ply capsule bottom with aluminum encapsulation. This design ensures even heat distribution, preventing hot spots and cooking your food thoroughly. Whether you're browning potatoes or simmering a rich gravy, this feature saves energy while delivering consistent results. 3. Versatility for every kitchen. The Avacraft pan isn't limited to a single purpose. It serves as a stir-fry pan, sauté pan, wok, skillet, and even a casserole dish, compatible with gas, electric, ceramic, and induction cooktops. This multi-purpose pan is perfect for families, budding chefs, and seasoned culinary professionals alike. Key features of the Avacraft stainless steel everyday pan. A. Multi-purpose design. This 11-inch 4.5-liter pan can handle a variety of cooking tasks. Sautéing vegetables, stir-frying proteins, making sauces and gravies, preparing rice, noodles, or pasta. Cooking soups and stews. With its shatterproof glass lid, you can monitor your dishes without losing heat, making it ideal for slow cooking and braising. B. User-friendly features. Stay cool handles. The silicone-coated handles provide a firm ergonomic grip while staying cool to the touch. Shatterproof lid. The durable glass lid offers visibility and is designed to withstand high temperatures. Dishwasher safe. Cleaning up is hassle-free. Just pop it into the dishwasher. C. Healthy cooking option. Unlike non-stick cookware, this stainless steel pan doesn't release harmful chemicals when overheated. It's a safer, healthier choice for families who prioritize clean, toxin-free cooking. What sets the Avacraft pan apart? 1. Durability. You can trust. Avacraft is known for its commitment to quality and durability. This pan is double riveted for long-lasting use, ensuring it can handle daily wear and tear without compromising performance. 2. Stylish yet practical design. The shiny mirror finish adds a touch of elegance, while the matte interior ensures it stays scratch-free even after rigorous use. It's not just functional, but also a stylish addition to your cookware collection. 3. Ideal for gifting. Whether it's a wedding, housewarming, or holiday, this versatile pan makes for an excellent gift. Its premium build, elegant look, and multifunctionality are sure to impress anyone who loves cooking. Who is this pan for? Final verdict. This Avacraft 1810 stainless steel everyday pan delivers on its promises of versatility, durability, and health-focused cooking. Whether you're sautéing vegetables, preparing a stir-fry, or making a hearty stew, this pan will exceed your expectations. Its thoughtful design, combined with premium materials and user-friendly features, makes it a valuable investment for your kitchen. If you're in the market for cookware that balances performance, style, and safety, the Avacraft Everyday Pan is a top contender. Don't miss out on the chance to elevate your cooking game with this exceptional product. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.